First of all, I would like to thank the Lord for this game. So, yun lang siguro yung number one na pinoint out ng coaching staff, especially ni Coach Boni for the past 3 games is yung energy and aggressiveness namin on defense. Then ngayon wala kaming masabi doon sa pinakita ng mga players, especially on the first part of the game na talagang andun yung pressure defense from the back third until dun sa front ng Ginebra. Nasunod namin yung gusto namin magawa, nasunod ng mga players. At the same time, sinunod ng mga players na gawin. So yun yung pinaka-importante doon na how they play as a team, especially on defense, on the first one.
Thank you, Coach. Now, Marvin, sabi na natin before the game na grabe nga yung defense yung scouting team ng Ginebra. But you want to try to find a way na overcome it and be able to impact your team positively, provide the spark. And tonight, nagawa ko yun. And kung pakiramdam na you were able to see yourself be able to do that and get a win in the series.
Well, I just really had to. Because kasi kung hindi, wala na, out na kami, di ba? So, kumbaga, yun, like what you said, find a way. And we, as a team, found a way today. And, yeah, sarap naman sa feeling, nanalo rin. But, again, it's not it's just one win. It's a best of 7 series. So you gotta win 3 more. And hopefully, magtuloy-tuloy yung magandang laro namin. Like today, especially we had 28 assists. And, from the next game up to the last, we really have to just find a way to win. Diba? Kasi first, ito na yung nauna. And 3 more. Diba? Mukhang imposible pero diba? Mukhang wala namang imposible.
Marvin, just to follow up, he said it's just one win. Pero gaano kalaki yung impact ng panalo na ito as a player or the players of your league with how you guys have been blown out the first 3 games of the series?
Kung ikukumpara mo, alam mo yung parang nasa ilalim ka ng tubig, tapos di ka makahinga. And then ngayon, nakaangat kami. So, nakakahinga na ulit. Di ba? Yung kumpiyansa, nakabalik na ulit. Yung belief namin sa sarili na sa team, balik na ulit. And yeah, 3 more again.
Yeah, open the door to question.
Thank you. Okay, sorry.
I think gagawin ito na yung Golden State. Pero may konti lang mag-regret na ito yung game 4 para magandang laro din.
I guess siguro may parang sana na maganda na yung nilaro from the start, diba? But I try to parang iwasan yung gano'n na to look back nung past 3 games. But yeah, of course, may isip mo rin na sana maganda na yung nilaro namin since game 1. At least siguro, di ba, medyo tumaas yung chance namin or at least baka nakakuha pa kami ng extra na panalo. But that's in a series like this, di ba, yung past this, wala na. The importante ngayon is to look forward na lang.
Series consistent about winning aside from your
That's yung maganda kay Kadim hindi mo na siya kailangan, diba, i-motivate. Na talaga siya motivated na sa sarili niya. So hindi siya nawawala ng kumpiyansa, hindi nawawala yung yung aggressiveness na hindi mo na sa kailangan sabihin. Natural na sa kanya dadating. And yun ang nakita natin in this series, di ba? The past 4 games, consistent talaga yan. Siya yung pinaka-consistent sa amin. Siya yung talaga nagdadala ng team. So, yeah, sobrang laking blessing sa amin na si Kadim yung naging import namin.
Regarding Kadim, syempre, Kadim, like what we said before, that's why we're in the semis because of also with the effort of Kadim na talagang pinapakita niya not only in the game but also in practices na how he motivate the team and how he be a leader in the team. So yun yung characteristic ni Kadim. That's why for this series talaga naging kumbaga kinapos man kami for the past 3 games pero siya still gusto niya talaga manalo every game. So, yun, pinakita niya today na hindi siya bumitaw dito sa team natin.
Coach, si Paolo started the game in played well. Ano yung position na start siya?
Shout out pala kay Pau.
Yeah.
Pau, good job.
Okay. Actually, ang nag-decide nung hindi na tinanong ni Coach Bonnie na kung sino yung first 5 today. Ang nag-decide nung kaya na-start si Pau is because of our players. Yung mga player, team, sila Arvin, lahat. Kumbaga si Coach Bonnie pinag-decide niya kung sino yung starter namin for tonight. Which is na pagbotohan niya ng team is si Paulo to start. Which, maganda yung pinakita ni Paulo. At the same time, for the previous game namin, even ang game 2 and game 3, talagang consistent si Paulo both offense and defense. Okay, so that's why, binigyan siya ng pagkakataon ni Coach Bonnie to play for this game 4.
So si Frankie ba
kay Fran naman, wala namang problema kay Fran. Although coach's decision yun, maganda naman yung pinakita ng ni Diyos sa point guard. Even Paulo na nakatulong sa amin sa guards. Even AJM, Miranda na kahit paano quality minutes, Alain Bulanadi. So yun yung mga players na kailangan namin. So yung kay Fran, wala naman problema. Coach's decision lang naman.
That's it for post-game